Good morning, dear friends. Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, and Texas Governor Greg Abbott are in communications talking about potential Tesla move to Texas. Brett Brooks of Reuters has a very interesting details on how things are progressing between Tesla and Texas and Tesla's potential move to Texas, about which CEO Elon Musk announced several days ago that he is frustrated with California and is willing to move his electric car, its headquarters, Tesla's headquarters and its electric car manufacturing plant to Texas to produce electric cars and Tesla cars in Texas. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. This morning I had a very interesting story about Alameda County's deal for Tesla. And now, before I start telling you this story, please subscribe to our channel, join our community, and let's get started. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said on Tuesday that he spoke with Elon Musk, Tesla CEO and Chief Executive of Tesla, in recent days about a potential move of the company's electric vehicle assembly plant to the Lone Star State, Texas. Abbott's remarks came just 3 days after Musk threatened to move Tesla's headquarters and future operations to either Texas or Nevada, after officials in the California county where Tesla's only U.S. vehicle factory is located said the plant could not reopen because the virus lockdown measures remain in place. In fact, this morning I published a story and report in our YouTube channel. Check that out to see what Alameda County deal offered for Tesla. Abbott said during an interview with the Wichita Falls CBS affiliate that he thinks Tesla is a perfect fit. Actually, Texas is a perfect fit for Tesla. A spokesman for Greg Abbott confirmed to Reuters the governor spoke with Musk over the weekend. Quote, "I have had the opportunity to talk to Elon Musk and he's genuinely interested in Texas and genuinely frustrated with California," Abbott said. Quote, "We have just got to wait and see how things play out." Abbott did not provide details of the conversation. John Whiteman, the governor's communications director, said that there was not yet any discussion of incentives to entice Tesla away from California. But did you notice that part? Abbott said we're going to wait and see how things are going to proceed. That means they will wait and see how things will proceed in California, and then that will be a decision making for Tesla, because like I said yesterday, it's not an easy thing to take an entire factory and move to it another state. Reuters said Tesla did not immediately reply to a request for comment. So maybe there may be some comments coming today. We'll see how Elon Musk will respond to Alameda County. Musk said last Thursday that he told employees that limited production would restart at the Tesla factory in Fremont after California Governor Gavin Newsom said that manufacturing in the state would be allowed to reopen under an easing of virus contaminant measures. But officials in Alameda County, where Fremont electric car plant is located, said its own lockdown measures had not been lifted and the factory could not yet reopen. Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Saturday tweeted, quote, "If we even retain Fremont manufacturing activity at all, it will be dependent on how Tesla is treated in the future." End of the quote. Now, take the note. That means how Tesla is treated in the future will depend if Elon Musk will move to Texas, move the factory to Tesla's. President Donald Trump weighed in on Tuesday, tweeting yesterday morning that California should let Tesla get back to work. On Monday, Elon Musk said production was resuming at the factory in defiance of the county's orders, and that if anyone had to be arrested, it should be him. On Tuesday, yesterday, employee parking lots that were deserted on Friday were packed with cars. Trucks could be seen driving in and out of the factory grounds. Check out our report, which I filed yesterday, a video from one of our subscribers that you sent me showing how full the parking lot is. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is no stranger to Texas. His SpaceX spacecraft manufacturing has a launch site in the southern tip of the state near the village of Boca Chica. Richard Cortez, the top executive in Hidalgo County, just to the west of the SpaceX launch site, urged Elon Musk in a letter to consider the area for Teslas, saying the region's heavy presence of automotive plants straddling the US-Mexico border could quickly meet the electric car makers' need. Check out my yesterday's report about how warmly Texas is welcoming Tesla to the state. And you will see all the entire letter of Richard Cortez. Cortez, in an interview with Reuters, underscored that manufacturing plants in his county have never been under any orders to close because of the virus pandemic. In addition to its vehicle plant in California, Tesla has a battery plant in Sparks, Nevada, and a factory in Buffalo, New York, that produces solar panels and other energy generation and storage products. Many people think that Tesla will use Texas as the location for its next Gigafactory to produce Cybertruck. Let me know what you think about this. Do you think Tesla will eventually move the plant from California to Texas? How easy it is? How long it will take? Let's say in the next 2 weeks, Tesla decides that they're moving to Texas, the plant, the Fremont plant. It is a huge undertaking. Move the employees, move the entire plant, start the plant. You know, it took about a year for the phase 1 in Giga China to open, and it looks like it's going to take about a year for the Giga Berlin factory to open, and it will take a lot of work. Now, let's say Elon Musk did decide to move the Tesla factory to Texas. What do you think? How long will it take to make that factory to move from Fremont, California to somewhere in southern Texas maybe? Do you think it will take about 6 months, or do you think it will take more than a year? Let me know what you think in the comments, please. And also, in what fashion do you think this will take? Because, for example, do you think Tesla will build a factory in Texas while the Fremont is operating, and then start shutting down Fremont and increasing the factory in Texas? Will there be 2 factories in Texas if Tesla has decided to build the Cybertruck Gigafactory, or some people already call it a Terafactory? Will there be 2 Tesla factories in Texas, the Gigafactory and an analog of the Fremont factory? Or do you think Tesla will shut down the factory in Fremont and then open the factory in Texas? I think this is not going to happen, because then there will be big gap of non-producing cars. Tesla will not be able to produce cars during this time. So I also think something very important, that it also depends what incentives Texas will offer to Tesla to build to move its factory. But like I said, moving a factory is not an easy thing. I think Tesla will choose Texas as the very likely location for its next Cybertruck Gigafactory, and I have a report about that. You can check it out on our YouTube channel, and I think that's not going to happen, because in the meantime, like I reported this morning, Alameda County yesterday evening had an emergency press release basically proposing, or actually offering, a deal for Tesla. Let's call it Alameda County's deal for Tesla. Check out my previous report on our YouTube channel if you haven't seen it. In that, I believe Alameda County is offering a reasonable deal for Tesla that will allow both parties to save face, because Alameda County is under huge public pressure, because Tesla is getting support from the president, from the Treasury Secretary, from people in Texas, people in California, business people in California, and also local mayor of Fremont, California, the local mayor of Palo Alto, California, where Tesla's autopilot team is located. No one wants to frustrate Texas in terms of no one wants Tesla to leave California. Because what are you going to do with 10,000 plus workers only in Fremont County? I think one place I read that Tesla in California employs about 20,000 people in all over California in different capacities, research, development, and probably Tesla service centers. So this is the situation, friends. Do you think Elon Musk should accept Alameda County's deal? Because we're talking about only 2-3 days, and you know, if you paid attention in that deal, I specified, I stressed the part that Alameda County says that Tesla can continue basic operations and augment it, and then starting next week start full operations. That means basically Tesla today can do more than yesterday. Tomorrow can do more than today. Basically, Alameda County is offering Tesla a way for both parties to save face. Let me know, friends, what you think about this things. Let's continue the discussion. I like your comments coming. And this is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. I appreciate your support of our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here for the first time for daily Tesla and automotive sector news. And also, if you would like, send us an applause, which is a new feature that you can support our channel. It's found only in desktop if you're watching this video on desktop, and next to the like button. And we would appreciate maybe you applause us maybe once a month. That will help us to keep our independence and bring you impartial reports every day about Tesla, electric cars, and automotive sector in general. I have interesting stories coming later today about Giga Berlin, possibly one about Giga Shanghai, and a couple of other very interesting stories. So please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon. God bless you, everyone. Stay safe, take good care of each other, and have a wonderful rest of the day.